welcome back to the MotorFab YouTube channel. You guys might remember a little bit a while back, we put one of these MotorFab Camaro bolt-in leaf spring suspension kits in Ryan Martin's Champagne 69 street car. Life got in the way, MPK got out of control, and it's taken them a little while to get out there and do some testing. They finally got out, done some testing, and first time out, PB'd on leaf spring for Ryan and the team. So he's really happy with the product. We're really happy with the result. Glad we've been able to help. And yeah, we'll snip back to how that went in.
Twins, and got the twins in the back to try to get some of the weight, as much of the weight back as we can, try to make this thing work better. But speaking of trying to make it work better, what you guys did. Welcome back to MotorFab YouTube channel. Today we are here in my shop in Norman, Oklahoma, and Luke and Jesse just got done putting one of your kits on the rear end, your leaf spring deal. What's the official name for it? What do you call it?
We just call it MotorFab leaf spring kit.
We just call it MotorFab leaf spring kit. I like it. Makes sense.
Yeah.
But you guys have been here for what, 2 days now, basically?
Yep.
Started on it late yesterday, worked on it a few hours, and then finished it up today. And really, we hope to make this car work better. Our goal here is to get some of the weight out of the trunk that we had to put in there to make it work good on the street, which this car did work good on the street. And so if we can lighten it up and make the ass end of the car lighter, but still make the thing work just as good, that's our goal. And Luke, I think you think that the parts we just put on here is probably going to help us do that.
We hope so.
Y'all got it done. It looks great. And now all we got to do is do a little testing.
That's the fun part.
Yep.
So that was all when we installed it, how it all went down, and our thoughts and predictions at the time. And here's the passes that they've just made in testing. So there you go, super awesome result, awesome car. That car is absolutely crazy. The engine, the whole combination is cool. It's cool it is. It's a badass street car, it really is. It's super cool. And this suspension kit, they're really cool. We're selling them. They're a very nice little fit, the way they fit into the chassis and stuff in the Camaro there with the little pocket. That fixes up a lot of problems with the little screw mounting point in the factory Camaro. There's a bit of a weakness for the Camaro. The rest is pretty much the same as all our other kits. And then the back slider all bolts up, no welding, no cutting, no drilling, nothing like that. Beautiful kit, all TIG welded, powder coated. All the CNC billet stuff is all made in our own CNC machine. We have our own powder coating facility, our own fabrication shop, our own machine shop, and so we're churning these things out and trying to keep up with you guys and the purchasing the things. So super excited about getting some good results from them.
0, 1.
Here's a quick look over some of our other Camaro kit installs we've done recently. It's really, like I said, it's a really cool kit. Works really good, fit nice, and check it out.
Real good. Get a hold of yourself. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody
Also, we've been doing some good testing with Scott Robinson's beautiful Gen 1 Camaro. He's running a blown big block. That thing is very angry down low and very spicy, and the only track near his place is definitely a no prep track. It's a very marginal track, and we've been working with him and getting it down, and it's really starting to run some numbers and do really well and hold its own in small tires, so check it out as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Lots and lots of cool stuff happening at the moment, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned in. Next week we have an awesome video. We attempted a 1,000-mile road trip in Heather's Mustang and Jesse's ridiculous rat rod truck. He literally finished it on the route while we were trying to drive. It made for some very interesting adventures. So keep an eye out for that one coming out soon. These hundreds and hundreds of years old trees are absolutely gigantic. But we're here today looking for something special. Very, very special. And here it is. Look at this. Very good find. And that, my friends, came from there. A wild ride. Let's get it fixed.